Hi students, this is Alex here. In this video, we are going to discuss a problem where the right hand side of the equation has exponential and trigonometric as a product. Now first part, we have to write the auxiliary equation, which is m square plus 5m plus 4 equal to 0. On factorizing this, we get m plus 1 into m plus 4. By equating each factors individually to 0, we get two values for m. One is minus 1, other is minus 4. So based on this, we write complementary function c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 4x. Then coming to the particular integral, we have e power minus x into sine 2x whole division d square plus 5d plus 4. Now, as per the procedure, we have to substitute d as d minus 1. The value of a is minus 1. So, we get e power minus x into sine 2x whole divided by d minus 1 whole square plus 5 into d minus 1 plus 4. So wherever d is there, we replaced by d minus 1. And after that, we have to write the numerator as it is, and we have to simplify the denominator. We have to expand the first term, d square minus 2d plus 1 plus 5d minus 5 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5, 0. And totally, we left with e power minus x into sine 2x whole division d square plus 3d. Now as per the procedure, d square is replaced with 2 square with minus sign outside because we have 2x here. So e power minus x into sine 2x whole divided by minus of 2 whole square plus 3d. Therefore, we get e power minus x into sine 2x whole division 3d minus 4. Now, we have to multiply by its conjugate 3d plus 4 with both numerator and denominator. Now, writing the numerator as it is, we get e power minus x into sine 2x into 3d plus 4 whole divided by denominators of the form a plus b into a minus b, 9d square minus 16. Now wherever d square is there, we have to substitute 2 square with the minus sign outside. So d square is equal to 2 square with the minus outside. So e power minus x sine 2x 3d plus 4 whole division 9 into 2 square with minus sign outside, then minus 16. So totally we get e power minus x sine 2x 3d plus 4 whole divided by 2 square is 4, 9, 4, 36. We have minus 16. By adding we get minus 52. And in numerator e power minus x, sine 2x have to multiply inside. So 3d into sine 2x plus 4 sine 2x whole divided by minus 52. Now d stands for differentiation. So 3 into cos 2x into 2, then plus 4 into sine 2x as it is whole divided by minus 52. We can multiply e power x minus x inside. So e power minus x, and this is 6 cos 2x divided by minus 52. In the same way, e power minus x into 4 sine 2x divided by minus 52. 4 times, if I cancel, I'll get minus 13. Then if I cancel 2 times, this will become 3, it will become minus 26. So totally, if you want again, we can take e power minus x common, then remaining will be minus 3 cos 2x by 26. Then again minus sin 2x by 13. Now combining both, we get complete solution is CF plus PI. So C1 e power minus x plus C2 e power minus 4x, then plus e power minus x common, minus 3 cos 2x by 26 minus sin 2x by 13.